such a great history. According to our geography, Manila is the capital city. Dating Queen from the other country, Metro Manila, Quezon City, Caloocan, Pasay, Makati, Marikina, Pasig, Sapote, Malabon, Las Piñas, Parañaque. From the north, Batanes, Apare, Ilocos Sur, Ilocos Norte, Isabela, Tagaytay Valley, Mountain Province, La Union, Baguio City, Nueva Ecija, Nueva Vizcaya, Tarlac, Pangasinan, Pampanga, Zambales, Bataan, Abra, Bulacan, Cavite, Batangas,